Ever wondered what to eat when you're feeling under the weather? It's a question we've all pondered at some point. When we're ill, food is often the last thing on our minds, but the right choices can make a world of difference. Proper nutrition not only fuels our bodies, but can also bolster our immune systems, helping us recover more quickly. So what should we eat when we're not feeling our best? In today's video, we'll discuss 7 powerful foods that can help boost your immune system and speed up your recovery. First on our list is garlic, a well-known natural remedy. This humble bulb is packed with compounds like allicin and garlicin, which have potent antibacterial and antiviral properties. Not only that, but garlic also works wonders in boosting your immune system, acting as a shield against many diseases. It stimulates the activity of certain immune cells, helping your body fight off infections more efficiently. So, adding some garlic to your soup or meals can make a big difference when you're feeling unwell. Next up is ginger, a spicy root with numerous health benefits. This pungent powerhouse is praised for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties. These characteristics make it an excellent ally in our fight against infections and disease. Suffering from a sore throat? Ginger's soothing qualities can bring you much-needed relief. It works by reducing inflammation and eliminating bacteria. Plus, it's a natural pain reliever. So next time you're feeling under the weather, why not brew a cup of hot ginger tea? A hot ginger tea can be a comforting and healing drink when you're feeling sick. Honey, nature's sweetener, is not just delicious, but also beneficial when you're feeling under the weather. This golden elixir is packed with antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections. It's also an anti-inflammatory powerhouse, capable of soothing inflamed tissues like a sore throat. And if you're troubled by persistent coughs, honey can act as a natural suppressant. So when the sniffles and coughs take over, remember, a spoonful of honey can provide instant relief and speed up your recovery. Citrus fruits, packed with vitamin C, are a must-have when you're feeling sick. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in bolstering your immune system, helping your body fight off illness and speeding up your recovery time. Think of popular citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. All of these are brimming with this essential nutrient. So next time you're under the weather, remember to reach for that fruit bowl. A glass of fresh orange juice can provide the vitamin C boost your body needs. Chicken soup, a classic comfort food, is more than just a feel-good meal. This nostalgic dish can be a source of hydration, packed with nourishing ingredients that provide essential nutrients. Its warmth can be a soothing remedy for a sore throat, while the steam aids in clearing nasal congestion. Chicken soup can be a substantial meal, providing both comfort and nutrition in a bowl. So remember, when the sniffles strike or you're feeling under the weather, a bowl of hot chicken soup can offer much-needed comfort and nutrition when you're feeling sick. Bananas, a soft and easily digestible fruit, are an excellent choice when you're feeling sick. This humble fruit is packed with natural sugars that give a quick energy boost, just when you need it the most. Their soft texture and mild flavor make them a soothing option for an upset stomach. What's more, bananas are rich in potassium, a vital nutrient that your body may lose during periods of illness. So next time you're feeling under the weather, remember, a banana can provide a quick energy boost and help settle an upset stomach. Remember, food is medicine and the right choices can help you recover quickly. We've covered 7 powerful foods: garlic's antiviral properties, ginger's anti-inflammatory effects, honey's soothing qualities, the vitamin C in citrus fruits, the comforting warmth of chicken soup, and the gentle nourishment of bananas. Along with eating these, don't forget to hydrate and get plenty of rest. Next time you're feeling under the weather, turn to these powerful foods for a speedy recovery. Stay healthy.